All right, guys, so 5 things I love and 5 things I hate about the 2025 Chevy 2500 LT Trail Boss. This is a brand new package for 2025. It is a package, it's not a trim level. That's one of the first things to note, okay? This particular truck, guys, let's get started. So first thing I love about this truck is the overall look. I think like these Trail Bosses look freaking amazing. And you can see here, you know, you get blackout painted bumpers, you get black badging, black grille. There's no chrome on this truck. The black 20-inch wheel, all this is part of the Trail Boss. You can see all the 2500, all the emblems are blacked out. Overall, it is just a sweet looking truck. It looks like a ZR2, right? It looks like one of these, like a higher trim truck than what it actually is. And I think they did a great job with that, right? And you can see here, back bumper, so front and rear are painted black. But again, guys, overall, look at this truck, absolutely savage. Love what they did here as far as the looks go. Great look to it. Number 2, all right, what I love about this truck, and this is wild, guys, for the first time, General Motors gives you a BF Goodrich KO3 tire standard. So the Trail Boss package gives you the 20-inch wheel with the BF Goodrich KO3 compared to a Goodyear Wrangler or some other, you know, less really crappy tire compared to a BF Goodrich. Like this is a top of the line tire, not an entry level, not a mid level, top of the line tire on the Trail Boss package. Very impressive there. And yes, guys, you could get that. You can put that on any truck, but from the factory, that tire comes standard. Very impressed with that. Love that. All right, guys, number 3, what I love about this Trail Boss truck is that you can get it in 2 different price points, right? Unlike the ZR2, which is only 1 price point, right? Unlike the AT4X, 1 price point. Get the look, you gotta pay for everything else, right? With the Trail Boss, you can get this like this truck in an LT, or you can get it with the LTZ, right? So a more basic cloth interior, maybe leather interior truck, or a loaded out, full leather, heated cooled seats, tech package, all the goodies, even power running boards, right? So 2 different trim levels to get this package. Love that, right? They're giving you options. I do love that. And that ties right into number 4. What I love about this truck is that, guys, you can get this in either the 6.8 foot bed like this truck, or you can get it with the 8-foot bed, right? So you can get 2 different bed options. You can get the LT or LTZ, like I mentioned. They give you options. You're not tied down. Like you go get a ZR2 truck, you cannot get an 8-foot bed, right? So you have the off-road look, you have different bed length options. That ties into number 5. What I love about the truck, guys, is the towing. Towing on this truck is at 18.5 conventional and 19.1 fifth wheel gooseneck. The difference though is for an off-road truck, your towing is not affected. A ZR2, some of your other top-end off-road trucks, you can't tow as much because they have different suspension, they have a full lift on them, and the towing is not as good. But with this truck, you have all of those things available to you, right? So if you're actually using your truck, you're working out of your truck, using the truck to tow, using the truck to, you know, load up all your stuff in the bed, you want that 8-foot bed, you have that option, and you have this aggressive off-road look. So again, guys, love these trucks. I think it was a great thing GM came out with them to give more options, to give more, you know, more options for the blackout look, right? And that sporty look, which Ford's been doing for a long time now. They've been giving you that option, the no chrome option, as I say. I love what they did here with the Trail Boss in that regard. Let's get into what I hate about this truck, the 5 things I hate. And first and foremost, guys, let's look back under here. This truck is a Trail Boss, but you don't actually have a lift. The truck does not have any lift to it. It's not lifted. That to me is, you know, it's confusing. You're looking at the truck, you're thinking, oh, this truck should be lifted, but it's not, right? This is just a standard Z71 suspension, which gives you Rancho shocks. And again, it's basically like it's the same thing as getting a Z71 package on one of these trucks. The only difference is this truck has everything painted to match and has the look. No lift. It's the first thing I don't like about it. Guys, the second thing I do not like on the LT model, right? This truck is still very basic. And when you go in here and you look, guys, right here, on the LT Trail Boss, you have a manual adjust seat. You do not have any power options, right? So this whole seat is manual adjust, right? Your driver's seat is power, but your passenger seat is all manual adjust. And to me, it's lame, right? Like if I was gonna get this truck, I would want it to have, hey, I'm paying the extra money, I get the Trail Boss package. Give me a couple more features, right, on the LT, because the LT is a great price point. Feature-wise, to me, there's a lot of things that some of the other trucks with a little bit more equipment have. And this truck has a sweet look, but again, let's get a few more features here, right? Number 3, what I don't like is that they don't give you an 18-inch wheel option. The Trail Boss package only comes with this 20-inch black wheel, which is a great looking wheel. But honestly, if you're actually going off-road, an 18-inch wheel with a little bit more tire is a better option, right? And that's why your ZR2s, your AT4Xs, your true off-road trucks have the 18s, right? Or sometimes even a 17-inch wheel, because the 20-inch wheel is, you know, you're a little bit more limited. It's not quite as good off-road. And I at least think, hey, just give the guy, like right now there's only one wheel option with this package. Just give an 18-inch wheel option, right? Again, gives people options, gives people, hey, the ability to choose and build out the exact package they want. Number 4, guys, and I kind of went into this with number 1, this truck is deceptive, okay? In a 1500 Trail Boss, you actually get a truck that has a 2-inch lift. This truck has no lift, like I mentioned in the first thing I don't like about these trucks. Like literally this Trail Boss package on this 2500 is 100% just a cosmetic package. You're getting everything painted to match, you're getting the look, but you're not getting any lift or any true off-road function. You know, it has the Z71 off-road package, but you can add that to any truck for like 350 bucks, where this Trail Boss package is like $3,500. To me, a little bit of false advertising, or maybe it's not false advertising, but you know, it's deceptive in the sense that you're thinking, oh, it's a lifted truck, it's a Trail Boss, but it's not. And then guys, number 5, this truck is an LT, but like I said, you can get the Trail Boss in an LTZ trim package, right? And that truck price point, the LTZ with the Trail Boss package, is within $2,000 or $3,000 of a ZR2 2500 diesel, right? And the ZR2 2500, if you guys aren't familiar, has way more equipment than an LTZ. And not even just that, it's got the full Multimatic DSSV suspension. So to me, the value in, you know, between a ZR2 and an LTZ Trail Boss just isn't there, right? Like the ZR2 is a way better buy. There's a couple points maybe you go with a Trail Boss. From a value standpoint, the ZR2 is a way better value. For me, I would rather see more options on the LT Trail Boss like this truck is. Give me some more power options, some more luxury options, because then you could say, hey, I can spend upper 70s and get a nicely equipped LT Trail Boss as opposed to spending 83 grand and getting an LTZ Trail Boss, again, in a diesel. So great truck, but a couple things I think GM or Chevy needs to work on within this Trail Boss package. It is a new package, so I'm sure they'll come out with different tweaks, different options for it. My take on it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe for more content.